Sachin Tendulkar. 200 from 147. Take a bow, master.
6. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. That is just...
This is the hashtag, like a tracer bullet challenge. You heard me say it over the microphone over the years. Let's see how my colleagues do it. And that's gone to the boundary like a tracer bullet. Good effort, Gavaskar. Not bad at all.
He's stunned. He's absolutely stunned. So he should be. He's got to go. Mark. Short delivery. Oh, he's got him. What a catch. What a catch. What an unbelievable catch. That is absolute. He's stunned. He's absolute.
Gets it. First man on the planet to reach 200. And it's the Superman from India.